Hello everyone, I am Nysa here. Today we are going to learn the months in German, die Monat. So let's get started. First one is Januar, means January. Second is Februar, means February. Then März means March. Then April means April. Then Mai means May. Juni means June. Juli means July. August means August. September means September. October means October. November means November. And the last but not the least, December means December. So thank you for watching this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more updates and don't forget to ring the bell